Here's how to easily avoid fake outs and liquidity sweeps. And this strategy right here makes one of my students $1,000 per day. So make sure to favorite and like this video so you can come back for more. And if you enjoy trade breakdowns like this, you want to see more longer version format, click that link in the bio. Let's get to it. So when you look at price right here, what do you see? Buys or sells? Now, most people will say buys because we see bullish momentum. But this is one of the biggest mistakes I used to make and a lot of my students make. I teach my members and students to not chase price, but follow the flow of price. So yes, on the smaller time frames, we see bullish momentum. But when we look on the bigger time frames, we see clear bearish momentum. Now, why do we see that? We see price making higher highs, but then it rejected this level and is no longer holding this level as support. And just like the price action technical analysis works on stocks, forex, options, and crypto. When we go to the table of content and we go to the rules of the uptrend, it says right here, in order for the uptrend to continue, we need to break past the previous high, which gives us a new higher high. Look at photo below. We also have to respect the support level the higher low is resting on. The rules of uptrend also says now rejection reversals happen, but a reversal doesn't always mean the trend is going to change. As long as price doesn't turn the support level into a resistance and or make a lower low, we are still in an uptrend and still only looking for buys. Playbook said, since we're no longer holding this level as support, we're turning it into a resistance level. We're now about to see a lower low get made. So on the bigger time frames, we see sells. On the smaller time frames, we see buys. So guess what played out? Look at that. Price broke above one more time. But then once volume kicked in, look at that. Big drop to the downside, did one more retest. Y'all would have called this a fake out and liquidity sweep. But in all actuality, this is just following the flow of price and not chasing price. The main cause of liquidity sweeps and fake outs is doing exactly that. The smaller time frames only explain what price is doing at that exact moment. However, the bigger time frames explain and show what price is doing on a larger scale. And this is why I teach my members and students on a daily basis in Playmaker University. So if you're interested in getting that price action technical analysis playbook, I actually give it away for free in the Playmaker University. But if you're interested in either one of those, or you're interested in taking signals with me, because guess what? Not only did I take this trade, look at the date, May 2nd, but I made sure the members and students hopped in this trade with me as well. We're in the advanced play signal room, same exact date. We go right here, entry as sell the TPs. You see the reactions, you see the TPs getting hit. I'm a university in the comments, and I got y'all. Follow for more.